Bangladesh, a land of history, nature and cultural heritage. It is the biggest delta of the world and a land of promises. Bangladesh is one of the fastest growing economies in the world according to the International Monetary Fund, with an economic growth of over 7% each year over the last decade. Experts are of the view that Bangladesh will become an upper middle income country by the year 2031, as it has been enhancing its skills in multiple industries. The pharmaceutical sector, among all other developing sectors, is drastically thriving, and its contribution towards the national economy is exponentially significant. With over 260 pharmaceuticals in the country, Techno Drugs Limited has made its mark as one of the leading pharmaceutical industry of Bangladesh, with an experience of over 2 decades. With the motto, "Where innovation never stops," in 1996, Techno Drugs Limited first started formulation and production of some of the essential veterinary medicines on an experimental basis. Later, it became the pioneer in the veterinary medicines market, and today, Techno Drugs Limited has a range of over 60 veterinary generics with multiple dosage forms. Over time, Techno Drugs Limited has vastly expanded to other areas of production like generic human dosages, which includes contraceptives and hormonal medicines, antibiotics, anti-ulcerants, gastrointestinal drugs, cardiovascular drugs, respiratory drugs, specialized anti-cancer chemotherapies, anesthetic products, and many more specialized medicines. In 2010, Techno Drugs Limited introduced its state-of-the-art oncology production unit at Noshindi, Bangladesh. It was a big step for the entire pharmaceutical market of the country, as for the first time ever, any local pharmaceutical company started manufacturing oncology chemotherapies in the country. Following on the successes achieved by Techno Drugs Limited, it opened a medical devices manufacturing plant in 2013 for manufacturing syringes and other related items. Techno Drugs Limited is a CGMP certified, WHO affiliated pharmaceutical company. It is the first pharmaceutical company in the country to achieve ISO 9001-2008 and currently holds an updated version of ISO 9001-2015 certification. Its state-of-the-art industrial park at Bikebari, Ghazipur is going to be a WHO pre-qualification certified industrial park. The founder and managing director of Techno Drugs Limited is Mr. Shahjalaluddin Ahmed, a courageous man whose story is not enough to describe his personality. He is a hero beyond this story. Today, Techno Drugs Limited is effectively manufacturing and supplying its life-saving medicines all over Bangladesh, and after meeting the needs of the national market, Techno Drugs Limited has been exporting its medicines to a number of countries in the world. Techno Drugs Limited is proud to be the largest manufacturer of injectable contraceptives in Bangladesh. For a substantial period of time, Techno Drugs Limited dedicatedly manufactured and supplied injectable contraceptives to Helm AG, Germany. Techno Drugs Limited plans to take a step further by manufacturing even more sophisticated medicines in the near future. And on this note, APC Australia is working with Techno Drugs Limited in its industrial park at Bikebari, Ghazipur. This state-of-the-art industrial park facility is equipped with dedicated manufacturing plants for different types of medicines. It currently houses the largest contraceptive manufacturing plant of Southeast Asia with a staggering 62,000 square feet working area, which includes a 6,000 square feet QC, QA and PT. Located at Bikebari, Gazipur, this industrial park has an area of 21 acres with access to the national power grid, gas lines and deep tube well for adequate power and water supply. Its general utilities include steam, compressed air, power backup and well-designed ETP and incinerator for waste management system. Techno Drugs Limited has a team of top pharmacists, chemists and microbiologists of the country who are devotedly involved in its research and development, quality assurance, quality control and overall management of the industry. We believe providing the right quality of effective medicines to the people can save lives. With that belief, we are also concerned about our each employee during the production and distribution of medicines and about all the hazardous materials from which the protection of the environment is needed. At Techno Drugs Limited, we do not compromise on raw materials and packing materials. Only established and validated sources from American, European, Scandinavian, Chinese and Indian origins are selected for procurement of raw materials. We purchase our APIs and excipients mostly from US FDA and WHO pre-qualified sources. Raw materials, packing materials and finished goods are stored and distributed to the market, maintaining its appropriate storage condition throughout the entire supply chain process. All these activities are traceable, documented and audited as per the guideline of CGMP. At Techno Drugs Limited, we have a full-fledged and well-equipped engineering team with experienced technicians to provide support at any moment to any department, from manufacturing to distribution, from warehouse maintenance to HVAC support. Our engineers are always on standby to support a smooth operation all through the nation. In the laboratory, the team of analysts strictly follows good laboratory practice guidelines by WHO. The Quality Control Laboratory is equipped with world-class instruments including Atomic Absorption Spectrophotometer, TOC Analyzer, Ultraviolet Spectrophotometer, HPLC, Particle Size Analyzer and avidity of sophisticated machineries. During product development, pharmacists are responsible for pre-formulation study, data report, BMR and BPR and process validation. To meet high standards and to ensure consistent quality of our products, the pharmacists also maintain modern production machinery and equipment, including isolator for hormone and oral contraceptives, different dosage forms like tablets, capsules, liquid-filled capsules, powders, creams, ointments, oral liquids, SVP, LVP, etc. We are committed to provide quality medicine at affordable prices in the market and become a global market-dominating company. Techno Drugs Limited is a trusted name and a leader in the pharmaceutical formulation industry, developing and manufacturing quality medicines within your reach. Techno Drugs Limited.